Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Creator Fast Track feature. So first of all, what you have to do is launch a Facebook application and then get logged into your account. Tap onto your profile. Here, make sure that you have a professional account. And as you have a professional or digital creator account, you will see dashboard. Tap on dashboard, then you will see Monetize on your top right. As you tap on Monetize, you will see all the stuff, like if you are eligible, it will ask you to submit a request, which will allow you to fill out a form and submit it again. In my case, I am not eligible yet. It says not yet available, meaning the feature is not available to me because I am not eligible. So if you are seeing the same page as mine, there is a eligibility criteria which you have to meet, meaning you need to have at least 500 followers and 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. However, if you're not seeing the same page as mine, you may go ahead, tap on apply, or simply fill a form and then submit your appeal. That is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.